See this gap? That's where your money disappears, between the promise and the payoff. I'm funning, and for the next 2 minutes, I'm not selling hype. I'm arming you with the first 2 of 7 brutal truths nobody tells beginners, so you don't become someone else's exit liquidity. What if everything you think about Bitcoin is wrong? Most beginners are sold a fantasy. Simple buys, overnight riches, fast Lambos. Cut to reality. Headlines of crashes, hacked accounts, and desperate posts. Those gaps you see in the footage? They're real losses, and they start with one mistake: misunderstanding what you're actually buying. Truth number 1, the volatility trap. Bitcoin is not a stock in a sleepy company. It's a global 24/7 panic attack and FOMO machine. Prices swing on rumors, tweets, and headlines, not quarterly reports. People who check the price every hour tend to react emotionally. Panic sells on dips, euphoric buys on spikes. Imagine checking your phone at 3 a.m. to see a red chart and making a decision. That decision can cost you months or years of gains. Instead, learn to set rules, use time horizons, and protect your psychology. Sleep is not optional when your money is on the line. Truth number 2, the get-rich-quick lie. The viral winners you see didn't stumble into wealth overnight. Many are long-term holders, early adopters, or professional traders who live through multiple cycles. You're often the new recruit arriving at D-Day. Act like it. Study history, learn risk management, and don't confuse lucked into gains with repeatable strategy. If you want longevity in this market, behave like someone who plans to be here for years, not someone trying to flip a coin. There's more. 5 tougher truths that cut deeper into risk, security, and psychology. I'll unpack those in the full guide. The complete list of 7 brutal truths is linked in the description. Watch part 1 of the full guide before you even think of buying. It might save your portfolio. Before you go, smash like, hit subscribe, and turn on alerts.